Hey guys, I am back to tell you this video how you can have the best experience at Teach Them Diligently this year. Well, first and foremost, you're going to need to know how to check in and where to go, right? So I'm very excited to tell you that we are foregoing the alphabetized lines. We are foregoing the packets for most people. We are foregoing the wristbands for most people this year. I can hear you cheering over there for not having to put those on. But this year, because of the gracious sponsorship of Classical Conversations, we have name badges for everyone. So that will change the way that you check in. You will be able to either use your app or print up a sheet of paper or, quite frankly, just tell us your name when you get there. And we will funnel you into the right line. It's going to be much more like a TJ Maxx or something like that, where we'll have a queue line, but you can go to any of the people that are checking them in, because everyone will have a computer station that they can just check you in, give you your name badges and your tote bag full of goodies, which is always fun, as well as your program and anything else that you would need that would go along with your order. So this year, no long lines for S and R, because we found out last year that we've grown beyond that. So spent a lot of time trying to figure out a more streamlined way to do it, and are very excited about the name badges. So just come right in. We'll have people there to direct traffic, show you where to go. We think that this will be a much quicker process, much easier process. Plus, we will all have names to call each other by. So our family reunion will be even more close-knit. Next, I wanted to tell you about our program. For the last several years, World Magazine has printed a special magazine for our event, and in the center of the magazine, now this is last year's, in the center of the magazine you have found the spread that is our program. In that spread, you will find a schedule of classes, which is also changing this year because so many of you use the app. Side note, if you've not downloaded the app, do it now, because the app is going to have all the descriptions, all of everything about the schedule. The program will have the written schedule, but it won't have all the descriptions. It'll be much more abbreviated than it is now, but it will be a nice thing to share so that you know where you're going. Also in the program, as well as in the app, you will find a vendor hall and a venue map, so you can tell where the rooms are, where the children's programs are, where the vendor hall is, and then also inside the vendor hall where you can find the individual vendors. So our program is a very helpful piece. But one thing that I'm even more excited about this year is we've been able, because we truncated the schedule quite a bit, the program's going to have a lot more helpful articles and stuff like that. So it'll be a really interesting read when you get back to your room in the evening and are just kind of digesting everything. So make sure you flip through it and read all of the articles in there, because I think that you'll find them really interesting. So check out the app. Be excited about the name badges. Make sure that you look through the program really well when you get there, because that's got all the information that you need to have a great experience. And then one last thing that I wanted to tell you is how you choose sessions. Now, this seems to be a real stress point for a lot of you because you want to plan everything out and know exactly what you're doing in advance. And that's a good thing. Go on and come to Teach Them Diligently with a game plan of what you think that you're going to do. That is wise. But I urge you to pray as you're there and to just listen as the Lord leads you. So often, the sessions that have been the surprise sessions, the ones that you had no intention of going to, but you actually ended up going because you just felt led to go there, have been the sessions that people have said made the whole weekend for them. That is exactly why they came. God works mightily at Teach Them Diligently, so listen to that still small voice. Be willing to change off of your master plan and follow what He has for you, because that will make your experience so much more beneficial. So I hope that this gives you a little bit more insight, and once again, I cannot wait to see you guys there.